don't matter. Hey everybody, welcome back to the vlog. It's Vinny with Lifted, Leveled, and Lowered. And today, we're at my friend Rob and his daughter Annabelle's house. And they invited me to be part of their new project. I'm not gonna say what that project is right now. I'm gonna show you what that project is. And we're gonna discuss it a little bit with you. And it's gonna be one of my vlogs that we're probably just gonna get a lot of footage on and then release it over a period of time. But I wanted to invite you guys to it so you knew what's coming. And my buddy Dane and I from work are thinking about starting a new vlog on this channel called Two Men and a Miata. Every time I say that, I laugh. Two Men and a Miata. You guys know why. All right, guys, so my buddy Rob's gonna join me. Rob, say hi.
What's up?
All right, this is gonna be our build. It's a 91, oh no, 2001, a 2001 Porsche 911 Carrera. And Rob's just gonna tell us a little bit about it. So tell us a little about the car, Rob. Tell us what we're thinking about doing and so on and so forth.
Well, like you said, basically it's a 01. It's really just it's got a 3.4 engine in it, liter. I think we want to do is kind of build like an everyday driver, but pretty much look like a track car. You know, simple, but budget will be, you know, we're going to have a budget on here, low budget, but we're going to probably refresh the motor. And then basically, you know, I'm thinking of getting, like we talked about, a wide body kit. We'll do that. Get some, you know, crazy wheels, a little bit of suspension. And I think we're gonna do a crazy wrap in it.
Works for me.
You know, and I think it'll be...
Should be cool. So long story short, it's gonna be a wide body. We're gonna do a good race suspension. We're gonna redo the seats.
Yeah, definitely.
We're gonna put a half cage in with some belts. So it should be pretty cool. It's gonna be a budget build. We're gonna, you know, everybody wanted that bad ass looking car when they were younger, and personally I think an 01 Porsche is pretty badass to me.
Yeah, I would say so, right?
Pretty neat. All right, so what we're gonna do too is we're gonna get a lot of footage and we're gonna follow up with you guys. Sorry, it's really hot in here. And that's about it. I hope you guys stay tuned, comment anything you really wanna see in this car and how we go along, because we might have to fiberglass, we might have to rivet. We're not 100% sure we're gonna do it the wide body, and you know I know absolutely nothing, so we can learn together.
For sure.
If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and have a great day.